right, welcome to section 3.4 in the Cisco CCT Data Center Certification Series. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can determine whether your Nexus device is in NXOS mode or ACI mode. All right, so when we're talking about mode, I just want to make a distinction here. So in the previous video, we were talking about what config mode that you're in. This is actually different than config mode. What we're talking about here is if you're going to be in NXOS mode or ACI mode, which really determines what operating system you're using, what type of operating system you're using. And I know we went through this in a previous video, but just to review real quick, if you're in NXOS mode, the configuration is done locally. You're entering configuration commands manually, or you can be using a different type of controller other than ACI. Whereas if you're in ACI mode, ACI completely takes over the configuration of the device. At that point, you can no longer make configuration changes manually on that device. All right, so how you actually determine this is doing show version. And then as you can see here, the file names for NXOS mode will begin with NXOS. And for ACI mode, the file names will begin with ACI. All right, so it's a quick short video, but show version, that's all you need to know. And you just need to look at the configuration files and see how they start. And that's it. So that concludes this lesson. If you found it helpful, think about giving a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.